What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel once again. XOXO Sheba. If you're new, hello, welcome to the XO Squad. Today's video is a favorites video. I wanted to go ahead and do a February favorites of all my favorite products that I use on my virgin hair wigs. So I want to get into that, tell you guys, my favorite products to use, like for installing, taking care of, styling, all that type of stuff. So let's get into that right now.
This the way that we rock. I'm from the bottom, so I aim for the top. And you crazy in the mind if you think I'ma stop. And I'm young, black, and living, still dreaming a lot.
So my first fave is Old Faithful here. My got to be in the yellow tube. I love the one in the yellow tube. I don't use the one in the black tube anymore. It just never really got sticky enough for me. Like with the yellow, mind you, I know I haven't opened this yet. It's because it's my new one. I have my old one that I'm still using and getting like the last bit out of, but it's ugly looking, so we're just gonna roll with this one. But yeah, so this is my favorite thing to use to like do my daily installs. Like if I just want to secure, but just for the day, and I want to take it off at night because I prefer to take my wigs off at night. But yeah, this is my favorite adhesive right here for like quick on and off type stuff. Just because I never even, I don't even use a blow dryer when I'm securing my wigs, guys. Like, I never use the blow dryer. I've never had to. It actually dries too quick for me. I feel like when I just use a little bit, because you know how some people complain about, like, you can see the whiteness. When I use a very little amount, like enough to where it'll get tacky and my wig will stick, but not too much to where it's like, white while it's drying, because it will dry white that way. But when you use the right amount, you don't even need a blow dryer, and that's why I really like this, because it gets tacky really fast. That mixed together with the freeze spray, unbeatable. Like, you good all day long. Like, I really have to spray some water down on my hairline to get this off at night when I put these two together. I love freeze spray. That's another thing that I love with my wigs, because you can actually just lay your wigs with freeze spray. I've done that before. I think I might do an updated video on that, because I don't like I've switched cameras since I did that, and I kind of like the quality on this one better than the quality of that video, so I might do that again. We'll see. But you can basically lay your wigs with just freeze spray. A lot of people only use freeze spray, and it's really easy to do. It's not hard, and it's quick. Like, the freeze spray gets tacky so quick, and it's really light, so I think it really helps your lace melt down even easier, because it's a light product and it's already clear and it gets tacky fast. But yeah, like I said, these two together, unbeatable. So my next product here is like my holy grail. As you can see, I barely have like any left. Is argan oil. I love argan oil on my virgin hair wigs. It just gives it some slip and some shine, and like, it's such a light oil that it still penetrates. Like, this one's called penetrating oil for all hair types. This is my favorite one because it does penetrate into the hair, but it doesn't leave your hair like heavy and greasy. It's still light and airy and stuff like that. So that's why I really like this, because it turn around. That's why I really like this, because it does its job, but it doesn't weigh your hair down. So yeah, this is my favorite product for like upkeep of my wigs and stuff like that. When I'm wearing them throughout the week to keep them nice and fresh looking until my next wash. I actually get mine at the grocery store. When I'm shopping for groceries, I'll go through the beauty section and I'll pick one of these up because they have them there. You can probably get them at anywhere, like Amazon. You can probably get it at your grocery store. You can probably get it at pretty much anywhere hair products are sold. My next fave right here, it's completely empty pretty much. Like, I got like a drop left. It's because I use it so much. Is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Mousse. I got this in a PR package, and I love this. It's like a heavier mousse. It's not really watery, so it's easier to like lay. Like, if you want to do baby hair on your edges and stuff like that, and you want them to be a little less like tacked down hard like you do with the Got To Be Glued, this is great because it's a little bit heavier, because it's for curly hair, like natural hair curly. And so it's a little bit thicker. It's basically what I'm saying. It's like a thicker, heavier type of mousse. So it helps lay a little bit better to me. Like, I have a thinner mousse. It's like real watery. This is like real foamy, and I really like that about that. Like, it's like a thick foam. Really get in there and lay something down. So that's why I really like this. It's good for natural hair. If you have relaxed hair, it's good for that too. Like, if you really just want like a slick lay, like a heavier mousse product that still like dries light, this is good. And then my last favorite, I love this stuff. This is Elastic QP. I don't know if it's gonna focus or it's gonna get glared on. There we go. Yeah, this is my Elastic QP. And basically what I use this for is, like, it's my actual leave-in conditioner for my real hair, but it's also the leave-in conditioner I put on my wigs. Now, because, it's a different hair texture than my actual hair is, I only take a little bit out of here and put it on my wigs after I wash it, because it helps, like, when the hair is soft. I've noticed it helps like with the frizz and stuff. So I've been putting leave-in like just a little bit though, of leave-ins in my wigs after I wash them before I blow dry. And it really helps like with the frizz, like the amount of frizz is so much less because it's like a little more moisturized. So that's why I really love this stuff so much. It works so good on my actual hair and on my virgin hair wigs. So yes, and it smells amazing. Y'all can't smell this. I don't know why I'm opening it. It smells like mad tropical, and I love that. And you can smell it on your hair too. Like my mom knows when I've used this. She'll be like, something smells tropical, and she'll be thinking I used hers, but really I got my own. So yeah, guys, those are my favorites for February. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your favorites down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.